Here's a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Consumer Reports finds the well-rounded RX balances a refined powertrain and comfortable ride with a very quiet and nicely trimmed interior. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.